Why does it do that?
Every time a cylinder fires, that combustion force hits the piston, goes down the rod, and gives the crankshaft a little twist. Multiply that by thousands of RPMs across all cylinders.
And you get this constant twisting and untwisting effect, like wringing out a spring.
Exactly, and that's the vibration that harmonic balancers and dampers are primarily designed to control.
So their main job, as Brian LeBaron from Fluid Emperor points out, is managing that torsional twist, and the stock damper just might not be up to the task anymore.